What if I told you that you could start making money today without spending a single dollar up front? No, it's not a scam, and it's not one of those get-rich-quick schemes either. In this video, we're uncovering the 8 ways to make money without investment, and 9 is a bonus. That actually work. If you're tired of waiting for someday to build your dream life, stick around, because the strategies I'm about to share could change your financial future forever. And before we begin, quick question. How many hours did you spend scrolling Instagram yesterday? Imagine if you spent just half of that time earning money instead. Intriguing, right? Time is your most valuable asset, and the best part? You already have all the tools you need to start today. Let's dive into it. Freelancing your skills. First up, freelancing. Whether it's graphic design, writing, coding, or even voiceovers, there's a global marketplace hungry for your skills. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients willing to pay top dollar for quality work. Not sure what you're good at? Start with what you already know. Are you great at writing Instagram captions? Boom, you're a social media manager. Can you edit videos? Content creators need you. And here's the kicker. Freelancing allows you to build a portfolio that can open doors to even bigger opportunities. And no, watching Netflix doesn't count as a marketable skill unless you're writing reviews. Now, freelancing is great, but what if you're looking for something even more hands-off? Let's talk about our next method. Selling digital products. Digital products are one of the best ways to earn money without upfront costs. Think templates, ebooks, or online guides. You create it once, and it's yours to sell over and over again. Here's an idea. Are you good at organizing? Create a productivity planner. Love photography? Sell your best shots as stock photos. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Canva make it ridiculously easy to start selling your creations. If you're worried about designing skills, don't be. Free tools like Canva come with pre-made templates that make you look like a pro, even if you've never designed a thing in your life. And here's another tip. Add value by offering bundles. For example, if you're creating a budgeting spreadsheet, include a mini ebook on budgeting tips for free. This makes your product irresistible. And if you're wondering how to market your products without spending a dime, stick around. I'll spill the beans in just a bit. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. The beauty? No inventory, no shipping, and zero upfront investment. Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale are just a few platforms to get started. And here's the pro tip. Find products you genuinely love and share them through TikTok videos, Instagram stories, or even blog posts. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Use your platform to show how the product solves a problem or adds value. For instance, if you're promoting fitness gear, create short videos demonstrating workouts using the equipment. Storytelling sells, so make it relatable and fun. Just don't go overboard recommending something like a life-changing avocado slicer. Keep it real, people. Now, if you're more of a people person, this next method might be your favorite. Online tutoring and coaching. Do you have a skill or knowledge that others would pay to learn? Online tutoring and coaching is a goldmine. Whether it's teaching English on platforms like VIP Kid or offering fitness coaching sessions, people are willing to pay for guidance. You don't need a degree or certification to start. All you need is confidence, a passion for teaching, and a reliable internet connection. Not sure what to teach? Think about what your friends come to you for advice on. It could be anything from acing interviews to perfecting a skincare routine. And here's a pro tip. Offer free mini-sessions to build trust and get testimonials. Once you have a few success stories, you'll find it much easier to charge for your time. And if you're thinking, but I don't know what to teach, hold that thought. I'll show you how to uncover your hidden expertise in just a minute. Content creation. Content creation is the ultimate way to turn your personality and passions into profit. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or even podcasting, the opportunities are endless. The key is consistency and finding a niche that resonates with your audience. And here's a secret. You don't need expensive gear to start. A smartphone and a good idea are enough. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and even merch. Start by documenting your journey. People love authenticity. For example, if you're learning a new skill, share your progress and lessons. This not only attracts an audience, but also positions you as relatable and approachable. And no, you don't have to dance on TikTok, unless you want to. Now, let's look at a few more ways to make money that might just surprise you. Virtual assistant services. Businesses and entrepreneurs are always looking for help with daily tasks, and that's where virtual assistants come in. From managing emails to scheduling social media posts, this role lets you work from home and earn a steady income. You don't need prior experience. Platforms like Zirtual and Belay provide opportunities to get started. Pro tip: highlight your organizational skills and reliability when pitching yourself. Participating in market research. Companies are willing to pay for your opinions, and you can capitalize on this through market research. Websites like User Testing, Swagbucks, and Survey Junkie reward you for providing feedback on products and services. While it won't make you a millionaire, it's an easy way to earn extra cash during your downtime. Imagine getting paid for trying out a new app or sharing your thoughts on a commercial. Easy, right? Renting out your stuff. Do you own things that you rarely use? Sites like Fat Llama allow you to rent out items like cameras, tools, or even designer clothes to people in your area. It's a smart way to monetize items you already own while helping others access what they need. Here's your bonus tip. Build a niche online community. Whether it's a Discord server for gamers, a Facebook group for personal development, or even a subreddit about your favorite hobby, creating a space where like-minded people can connect is incredibly valuable. Once your community grows, you can monetize through ads, premium memberships, or even exclusive content. The best part? It costs nothing to start, but has unlimited potential. Just don't make a group about why pineapple belongs on pizza, unless you're ready for some serious debates. Now, before we wrap up, let me leave you with one powerful thought. Making money without investment is about leveraging what you already have: your skills, creativity, and time. The methods we've covered are just the beginning. The real magic happens when you take action. And if you're ready to supercharge your earnings, check out my video on how AI tools can help you save and make money in 2025. It's packed with futuristic strategies that pair perfectly with everything you learned today. Click here and start building your wealth smarter and faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, your wealth journey starts today.